Hello, how are you? We need workbook for this session, for this video, please. Prepare the workbook. And we will play with 2 pages. We'll do first this one. 52 and then 53. Ready? 52. Go to page 52 and write the date. Read this poem. We read it a couple of times, but let's do it again. They are asking us to do it. There's water on the ceiling and water on the wall. There's water in the bedroom and water in the hall. There's water on the landing and water on the stair. Whenever Daddy takes a bath, there's water everywhere. Okay, so we read it. Let's go to next page. What did I say? 52? Okay, go to 53. Write the date again at the top. Write it here, somewhere here. Question 1. A. Answer these questions about the poem on page 52. Okay. Who takes a bath? Who is taking a bath, guys? Daddy. Right here, Daddy. If you're not sure of the spelling, go and check here. Whenever Daddy. Daddy. Good. That's the answer for A1. Let's read 2. Where is the poem's title repeated in the poem? Circle the correct answer. Is it in the first line, or in the second line, or in the last line? Let's check. The title of the poem is Water Everywhere. Where can we see water everywhere, water everywhere? Here, water everywhere. This is repeated. Water everywhere, water everywhere. So this is in the last line, right? Okie dokie. So circle here in the last line. All right? Done. Now, question B. Look at the picture and write in the boxes to show all the places where the water is. Use the words from the poem to help you. So here are the words that we can play with. If you had any other idea, okay. So we have words ceiling, wall, bedroom, hall, landing, stair. We can play with these words, but if you think it's something else, I don't mind. Look at the picture and let's talk about it. What should this one be? The one over your head. It's a ceiling, right? So right here, ceiling. Guys, I have to keep jumping between these, but they're opened for you at the same time. So here is the word ceiling. Ceiling. Write the word ceiling over here. This one on the door is written bedroom. I'm sure that in your workbook you can see it clearly. So this one is bedroom. Now, the definition of landing that I found in the book is that it's space between the 2 rooms upstairs in the house. So this should be landing. But honestly, the square is all over this huge wall, so it could also be a wall, but if we're gonna just follow the book, this should be landing. Okay? And then this one is pointing again at the wall, so this is a wall. This one is pointing exactly on one step, so this should be stair. But the first step before all the stairs is also named landing. So it's kind of confusing. You can write stair or you can also write here landing if you want this one to be hall. This one should be hall, but this is also a floor, or you can even write here everywhere. This question can be answered in a couple of ways. So it's not really wrong if you don't do it. Wait a second, exactly. Okay. And now question C. I have a problem here, wait please. grab this. Wait a second. Let's continue. Question C again. Do you think the poem has a strong rhyming pattern? Explain your answer. I hope that you did the rhyming patterns with your other teacher. Rhyming pattern is basically if we have nice rhyming words and where they are. So we have here ceiling, wall, bedroom, hall. So in the end of second line there is wall, and the end of fourth line is hall. So we have here and here rhyming words. And then we have this one, we have stair, that's 5, 6, and then the line 8, everywhere. So what do you think? Do we have a lot of rhyming words? And it's, look, 1, no, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So in the first line we don't have anything rhyming with something else, but then in 2 and in 4 we do. It's one line, no, and then yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes. So we have 2 and 4, and then we have 6 and 8 rhyming words. Wall, hall, and stair and everywhere. So this one is up to you. You can write whatever you want. Do you think that the poem has a strong rhyming pattern or no? And explain why. I just told you. I think yes, because 2 and 4 and 6 and 8 have rhyming words, but if you disagree, then just write it here that you don't think it has strong rhyming pattern and explain why. Thank you so much. Bye guys, have a great weekend.